We often do everything that we want to do perfectly well. We feel things are under our control, but actually, after doing everything, we still realize that things haven't worked out for us. And sometimes it is so demoralizing, discouraging that we don't know what to do. You know something? We need to just let go. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, a designer, an entrepreneur, and I love sharing my thoughts with you. So here we go. Let go. Let go where? What? Let go and let the universe take its own course. Sounds strange, isn't it? How can we let the universe take over? And if that was the case, why did we have to work so hard towards our goals? Hey, listen. Letting go also means surrendering. Surrendering to the universe. We don't need to always kill ourselves trying to do things and wait for the perfect results. The universe has its own plans. Yes, when I say that, I mean it because I have gone through this and realized it with my own personal experiences. But saying to let go and let the universe take over or surrender is easier said than done. How do we practice it? Well, it doesn't come overnight. Let's share 5 ways that has helped me to surrender after I've done everything in the best possible manner to achieve what I want to. The first one, meditation. Yes, I know I've spoken about this many times over, but meditation helps you focus. Meditation helps you calm down. Meditation helps you to think inwardly and reflect in such a beautiful manner that, trust me, when you see the lives of very great people in this world, be it people who have excelled in spirituality, business, or any other field, they all meditate. So yes, give it a shot. The second thing that I have relied upon immensely over the last few years that has helped me to surrender to the universe after I've done everything is my intuition. Intuition is so important. You know intuitively from birth what is right and what's wrong for you. But over the years, because of other outside influences, we lose our sense of intuition. Or even if we have it, we resist it and we don't allow it to take over our senses and our mind. So hold on. Intuition is the key. Keep your intuition alive because that is going to help you to be able to surrender, to let go, and let beautiful things happen to you the way the universe wants it to. Number 3, invite love into your life. We are so resistant about the term love. I've even met people who are so close about saying I love you, even to a friend, because in their head, I love you has a very specific connotation. It's perhaps between 2 lovers, 2 people in a relationship. But hey, stop. Love is not about just 2 people in a certain relationship. It's about the love from your pet dog who wags his tails and is all over you when you enter your home. The love of your child, the love of your neighbor, the love of a stranger that you may meet on the road. Embrace love, bring it into your heart, and see how easy it's going to be for you to let go and let the universe take over. Number 4, mindfulness. Now, mindfulness is different from meditation. Mindfulness is about being in the moment and enjoying everything that you're doing at that point of time. Listening, enjoying, sponging in every word that I'm telling you, or anything else that you're doing, be it cooking, walking, doing a hobby, anything, But in that moment that is ticking by, how much are you present? That is going to help you focus so much that nothing else would matter. It's a state of surrender. It's a state of letting go. And it's a beautiful state to be in. Number 5. True surrender is about not having your results the way you want your life to be. It's okay to be having different results than what you have thought of. It's okay to have other people's opinions be accepted in your life. You don't necessarily have to behave like the A-type person who says, I am the master of everything and things will have to move the way I want them to move. No, it's okay to let go and accept that there could be other possibilities towards whatever you're trying to achieve. And that is a true state of surrender. So, do your best. Have focus. It's not about letting go and saying, oh, now I'm not going to do anything. After all, it's the universe who's going to do everything for me. No. You have to do your best and then leave it for the rest, for the universe to take over. So, here's to living very powerfully, doing all that you can do, have laser sharp focus, yet at the end, just leave it and surrender and see how beautiful things will happen. I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling. Till next time.